So this kit is going to give you everything you're going to need. You have the fronts, the second row, you also have the cargo area, as well as the backs of the second row. So it's a nice kit, and one thing I really like comparing it to the stock ones, as you'll see, these have so much more coverage than the factory all-weather floor mats to really protect the interior very nicely. So here's a quick look at the factory driver's floor mat from Honda. It looks cool with the Trail Sport logo and everything, and it is rubber, so it'll do a pretty good job. However, this whole lip really isn't all too high. There's carpet exposed right there, same with the dead pedal. So realistically, even when you get a lot of mud here and take them out, you're gonna be vacuuming this whole edge, cleaning the carpeting, cleaning the door sill and things like that. To go ahead and remove these, you're just gonna twist these to unlock them, and then grabbing a floor mat, we can easily lift it out. And installing the new one is pretty simple. Just tuck it underneath your pedals, get it into place. It's a little bit bigger, so you're gonna have to kind of wiggle it a little bit more. And just like factory, you're still gonna be able to lock them into place so they're not sliding, and there's even caps now to completely cover that. So I like to see that aspect, lock them into place, and then click them down. And as you can tell, the rubber is lining so much more of the carpeting, even the exterior door sill a little bit. So these are gonna do a much better job than factory protecting everything on this driver's side, and then the passenger side, of course, is going to match. Moving on to the second row, as you can tell, the factory all-weather floor mat is going to cover the bottom of the floor well. However, once again, the lip isn't all too high, so when the kids are in the back getting mud, or maybe your dog or something, you know, you're still going to be doing a lot of extra cleaning, given this doesn't cover all too much. And with the Lasfit liner installed in the second, you're going to cover that exterior door sill, and then it's going to do a much better job covering a lot more of the interior. That way, when these get dirty, just pull the whole piece out, clean it up, and you're going to have no cleaning to do on the inside of the car. So that is definitely a really good plus. I like how perfectly it fits as well. Moving on to the back. So we're going to go ahead, pull these seats down. You just have carpeting back here. Same with the back. So obviously this is a very prone area to get dirty, especially if you're going to put a dog back here, or just maybe camping equipment or things you're going to have for the day. So for these backs, they're going to be lined in the Velcro, which is a nice touch, and you're just going to line up the openings on the back side, give it kind of a press, and that is all installed, and it's really secure, so that's not going to be sliding around at all. And from here, as you can tell, everything lines up perfectly. It's going to work just fine closing and opening this seat, but you're going to get all that protection on the backs of these seats. And then the cargo area, we just have the massive mat we can just throw in here. It's going to fit very nicely, and what's nice, you can still open it from side to side, given it's flexible. Push it back down, and that one is all good. And then lastly, let's go ahead and install the final carpeted one, which is over here to cover this backside. Very simply, this Honda Passport is now all protected. So there you guys go. There's a quick look at the Lasfit floor liners for the Honda Passport. Again, as you can tell, these ones fit a lot better than factory, really doing a great job covering the entire interior. On all the cars that my brother and I own, we actually used Lasfit liners. Honda Civic Type R, his Toyota Tacoma, we went ahead and installed them just to keep the interiors way more protected. These are affordable too, which is a nice touch. And I like how these fit perfectly in your car. They're gonna protect so much of the flooring and all around it, to where when you spill things on it, when you get them dirty, just over time, you pull them out, wipe them off, throw them back in, and your car is clean, good as new.